The girls know our Super Bowl is the Victoria's Secret fashion show, so I had to put the girls on and show them how I did my Victoria's Secret look. Starting off with my eyebrows, I like to use Got2b with a spoolie and gel them down, and then after I'm done putting gel on them, I love to like shape them. We're waiting for my eyebrows to dry. I'm gonna use Stay Beauty, and this is their Star Glow Super Gel, and this is what's gonna give us that really glowy look. My skin looks like after I put it on. It just gives you that nice subtle glow, like you're giving sun kiss. Now I'm gonna go in with the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter in the shade 4.5 medium, and this is also gonna give us just a little bit of coverage because you know Victoria's Secret models do not go heavy with the makeup. We know the makeup is there, but it's never heavy, so it's gonna give us a little coverage and give us a glow as well. Eyebrows, I'm gonna be using the NYX Lift and Snatch, and if you watch my videos, you know this is my favorite product. And for this look, we're gonna go in really light because her eyebrows are not like how I do it. I fill them in. I'm gonna say lightly, and I'm probably gonna do the most. So when I'm doing my eyebrows, I'm making sure I do light brush strokes just so the product is on there, but it's not too much. We wanna lightly fill them in. Okay, this is before and this is after. We're gonna do that on the other side. Okay, I didn't do too much. It's not too filled in, it's not clockable. I think Tyra would be proud of us. So the next step is gonna be carving out our eyebrows, and I'm gonna use the Hourglass concealer. She's my favorite concealer in shade Beach. And we're not gonna go overboard. Like I said, we're just gonna use a little bit of concealer just to fix up any mistakes that we made. I love this concealer because it's just like my perfect shade. And I'm gonna go in with an edge brush like this and just carve out my eyebrows. When it comes to me carving out my eyebrows, I'm just putting the concealer directly under the eyebrows just to fix any mistakes that I made. Just gonna use a beauty blender to blend that in. Look, oh my god, that is literally perfect. Hourglass 8 with this concealer. The under eyes, we're gonna use my second favorite concealer, which is Haus Labs in the shade Light Neutral. And this is just gonna give us a little bit of a bright under eye, but covering the dark circles that we have. So you don't wanna go too bright. You want it to like give you a little bit of a bright under eye, but not too crazy. And we're not gonna drag it down, we're just gonna like make it go up like this. I really like the Haus Labs concealer because it just gives skin. Set the under eyes with the beauty powder and Peach Pie. I'm gonna get the powder puff. To add some color back into our face, I'm gonna use the Tower 28 contour and bronzer in the shade, I think it's Giddy. I really go crazy with the contour and bronzer, but we just want to add color to our face and make it look natural. This is without, and when I put it on, this is what it looks like. Okay, you can kind of see. It's really natural, it's not too drastic. Sculpt out our face a little bit, just like that. You see, so we could give us that kind of look. Oh, I should start doing that every day. I decided to go with Say because it melts into the skin perfectly and it kind of looks really natural, and that's what we're going for. So I'm not gonna go crazy with the blush either, and we're just gonna put it right here, and I think that should be enough. If not, with Say blush, it is easy to build on. You can barely see it. Let me on the stage. Let me do my runway walk. When the girls are on stage, they love to glow, so we're gonna go in with the Fenty highlighter. This is one of the best, but we're gonna put it on the tip of our nose, our forehead, even though she's glowing already, but we need it. The bridge of our nose, our chin, like on top of the blush. Okay, that was a lot. That was a lot. And I'm gonna get my fan brush to blend it in. I'm gonna go in with one of the best setting sprays to melt in the powder, and it also gives me a little glow. I don't know. I'm gonna drop the palette. We're gonna be using the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette. This is what the colors look like. I don't have this like gray color that she has, but I'm gonna go in with something like one of these colors, like either this one of those. Cream right here. I'm just gonna put it on my eyelid.
For the eyeshadow, I'm just making the brush go back and forth only on the lids.
What it looks like is just like a hint of color, and then we're gonna make the lids glow by going in with one of these sparkly colors. Thinking about the color Obsessed right here, and then after I'm done with that, if it's not enough glow, I'm gonna go in with this glitter, face glitter from NYX. I'm gonna use my fingers just because I feel like when it comes to products like this, it just works better when you use your finger.
The shimmer, we're just gonna put it right on top of the eyeshadow. Any place where the eyeshadow is, you just want to put it there.
Look at her, she's eating. Just gonna keep blending it out so it's not too harsh. Is it giving? I feel like the lighting is not doing it justice, so let me turn this down so you can really see it. Let me bring you closer. This is it with no color. I mean, this is it with no shimmer. And look how the shimmer just makes it look so much better. Because I feel like it's not glowing as much as it could, we're gonna use the NYX glitter. This is what it looks like. Okay, let me bring you in closer. Doesn't that look so much better? Since in the photo her inner corners are like really highlighted, I'm gonna go in with this color right here because I feel like it's gonna give me that look. What did I tell ya? I'm gonna blend it out, okay? So I'm gonna use some liquid black eyeliner. I have no idea where I got this from. It says Billion Dollar Beauty. I'm just gonna put a little bit on.
For the eyeliner, we're just gonna place it exactly where you would your false eyelashes. And I'm kind of like, I'm not bringing it off of the eyelid either, so it's not gonna be a wing. Like you're not gonna see the wing. It's just gonna be on the eyelid.
For lips, I'm gonna use a lip liner that's really close to my lip color and not even overline. Just add on some color, just a little bit. Not overline, but just put it on my lips a little bit, if that makes any sense. Let me bring it closer so you can see what I'm doing. I'm just gonna go in with a lip gloss.
If you were wondering the lip gloss I'm using the Dior lip gloss. When I tell you, it has like this plumping sensation. Y'all let me know if I'm giving Victoria's Secret. Am I delusional, or can they put me on a stage or a few stages? Can I get on that runway? Is the question.
Why do I feel like this is the quickest that I ever did my makeup, and it was so much fun to do? So I might like just start recreating different looks on this channel and just having fun, making YouTube fun again, teaching the girls how to do makeup and having fun. Because now I feel like a Victoria's Secret model. I have my Victoria's Secret robe on. Yes, ma'am. We're about to go to the runway. Gag it.